December 7th, 1941. It's a date that changed the world. But today we're going back even further. July 1863, Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. A battle where 50,000 men bled into the soil. A battle of pure, human chaos, driven by iron will and lead bullets. Every decision was a human error. Every shot was a desperate hope. But what if, above the smoke, above the terror, something alien appeared? Something silent. Something not bound by the limits of the 19th century. A technology so advanced, it would have been considered divine intervention. This is the story of the MQ-1B Predator drone, a silent hunter from the future, dropped into the bloodiest day of the American Civil War. First, let's understand the asset. The Predator drone, small, propeller-driven, and near silent at altitude. It cruises at 135 miles per hour, making it impossible for the 1863 human eye to track. But its true power lies in its eye. Its electro-optical and infrared sensors can pierce the thickest gunpowder smoke, turning the chaotic battlefield into a clean, digital map. Every movement, every formation, every general's location is perfectly visible. It's not a weapon. It is God's eye view. Now for the crucial limitation. This isn't a continuous mission. The drone is operating without a ground crew, without a refueling base, and without a modern operator. It's pre-programmed with 1 hour of usable battery life and a meager, yet devastating, payload. 2 Hellfire missiles. It has 1 hour to change the course of history, and only 2 shots. The clock is ticking. What is the most critical target? Is it General Robert E. Lee, the commander? Killing him guarantees chaos, but chaos might not stop the momentum. Or is it the formation? The most critical moment of the battle is coming. Pickett's charge. 15,000 Confederate soldiers marching shoulder to shoulder, a desperate final push. If the drone disrupts this, it saves thousands of lives. The drone makes its choice. The targeting system locks onto TH, the Union Army's most vulnerable position, their artillery reserve. It's masked, unmoving, and protected by trenches. A perfect target. Strike 1. The first Hellfire missile screams silently out of the launch rail. The soldiers below hear only a high-pitched whine for a fraction of a second. Then, an explosion of a kind they have never witnessed. Not black powder smoke, but a blinding modern fireball. The Union artillery position is not just damaged, it is vaporized. The greatest concentration of firepower on the battlefield is silenced in an instant. The psychological impact is instant. The Confederate troops see the enemy's biggest guns vanish, but they can't see the attacker. Panic breaks out. Is it a hidden bomb? Is it magic? Meanwhile, the drone has only 1 missile left. The moment of truth arrives. Pickett's charge is starting. 15,000 men begin their fateful march. The drone, low on battery, makes its final, life-saving decision. Strike 2. The second missile targets the main Confederate command staging area, where reinforcements are waiting to join the charge. The second blast is smaller, but more precise. It doesn't kill thousands, but it disrupts the logistics. The reinforcements scatter. The morale of the main charging force crumbles as they see their leadership vanish in the smoke. The charge still happens, but it is crippled, disorganized, and repelled with far fewer casualties. The mission ends. The drone, now out of power, begins its uncontrolled descent into the woods. It did not win the war, but it changed the scale of the disaster. By saving over 10,000 men from Pickett's charge alone, it altered the war's timeline and its human cost. The soldiers who survived would forever remember the day the skies opened up and took sides. What do you think? Did the drone make the right call targeting the artillery? Let us know in the comments below.